One of the things that I learned working counterterrorism in Afghanistan and the Middle East is this. Nothing is riskier in any business relationship than not seeing the full picture. We help our clients see the full picture, and we do it in 30 seconds or less. I'm Stuart Jones Jr. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Sigma Ratings, and we are the smartest way to evaluate risk in any relationship. Business has gone global, but it's more important than ever to understand the financial crime risk of those relationships. That's true whether you're a regional bank in the Midwest or a global financial institution in the Middle East. Knowing your customers and your suppliers is not only good business, but it's the law. Organizations today, though, are getting crushed under the regulatory burden of trying to keep up. They're relying on antiquated systems, outdated databases, multiple data providers, and manual processes that include spreadsheets, oftentimes scaling people over technology. Well, this is obviously problematic because it's time-consuming, it's expensive, and it often misses risk that's hiding in plain sight. The truth is, what we've learned as part of the lab and our clients globally is that what everyone wants is all the data right in front of them, to not have to go to multiple databases and news sites to try to find the answer. That would be the game changer. Well, enter Sigma Ratings. We enable our clients to harness the internet to take everything that they need outside of their organization and bring it in to a single intelligence feed so that anyone in the organization can make a smart and confident decision on potentially working with someone or understanding an existing client and the risk associated therein. We do this via domain expertise, via long-term data partnerships that allow us to see into hundreds of millions of companies, going and collecting and classifying our own data into a Sigma intelligence database, and then stitching it all together using AI and machine learning and plugging it directly into our client's workflow. Today, we deliver our data via API, secure data dumps, and our web-based application called Terminal, which can be up and running out of the box in your organization in 5 minutes or less. You see, what's special about Sigma is not just that we take all of this data and bring it together, but that we run analytics over the top of it, and we're able to tell you where, out of all of that, the financial crime risk is, and even programmatically start to draw some of the links for you. Our intelligence feed powers two key tools. First is search, and the second is ongoing monitoring. With our search tool, you can type the name of a person, a company, or a country into our database and get back an answer in near real time of what the proprietary risk flags are associated with that search. That can be a one-off, or that can be hundreds of thousands at the same time. And today, within our clients, including global banks, investigative teams, onboarding teams, business units, and credit teams are leveraging Sigma Search to make better, smarter, more confident decisions. Our second tool is Sigma Monitoring, which uses the same intelligence stream and allows you to monitor all of your clients, which could be in the hundreds or the millions of counterparties. And what we tell you is how risk is changing by reading the news and tracking corporate data. We can tell you things like leadership changes, where a company is operating that maybe they weren't before, or even a product change. And today this is being leveraged by compliance teams, business units that are trying to understand how counterparty relationships are changing over time, and by credit teams that see our data as an early warning system. In terms of traction, we're live in global banks, broker-dealers, professional services firms, and governments. We operate on 5 continents, we have 20 core customers, we have 100% retention, and we're saving our clients up to 30% over their existing systems. In terms of team, as I mentioned, we bring domain expertise. I started my career in the U.S. Treasury Department in the Office of Terrorism and Financial Intelligence. My co-founder is a legal expert, and we've surrounded ourselves and the company with advisors and technologists that are making Sigma possible, something that probably wasn't possible 4 or 5 years ago. And we're proudly backed by some of the best VCs here in New York and from around the world. If you're excited to partner with us, to learn more, if you're intrigued, please reach out and schedule a demo. Check us out at www.sigmaratings.com. What our clients love about us is that we're technology forward, that we're flexible, that we respond fast, and that we really care about fighting financial crime. Finally, we would like to thank the FinTech Innovation Lab. Maria, Sunny, the entire team, you've been awesome. Thank you for the opportunity. We really feel like we're in the fast lane as a member of the FinTech Innovation Lab. And to all of the lab sponsors, Wells Fargo, Deutsche Bank, New York Life, and RBC. Thank you for all the back and forth. Thank you for the POCs. Thank you for the meetings, all during an incredibly difficult and stressful time of COVID-19. We learned a ton, and we are incredibly grateful. Thank you.